Can you directly withdraw Sweatcoins to a bank account? This is one of the most common questions from Sweatcoin users looking to cash out their earned coins. The short answer is no. As of June 2025, Sweatcoin does not offer direct withdrawals to bank accounts or PayPal. This is a key limitation that many users discover after accumulating coins. Sweatcoin simply doesn't provide the feature to transfer money directly to your bank account or PayPal. There's no direct cash withdrawal option in the app. Instead, you need to follow an indirect process. First, you must convert your Sweatcoins to Sweat cryptocurrency using the Sweat Wallet app. This is a separate application from the main Sweatcoin app. From there, you need to use a cryptocurrency exchange to convert your Sweat tokens to a stablecoin like USDT. Then, you can withdraw that stablecoin to your bank account. This process involves multiple steps and fees. Keep in mind that this process involves potential fees at each step, and the value of both Sweatcoins and Sweat cryptocurrency can fluctuate. The availability of options within the Sweatcoin app can also change over time. Step 1. Earn Sweatcoins by walking and tracking your steps using the Sweatcoin app. The more you walk, the more Sweatcoins you accumulate. Step 2. Download the Sweat Wallet app and link it to your existing Sweatcoin account. This separate app is essential for converting your Sweatcoins to cryptocurrency. Step 3. Within the Sweat Wallet app, convert your Sweatcoins to Sweat tokens. This transforms your earned coins into a cryptocurrency that can be traded on exchanges. Step 4. Choose a cryptocurrency exchange that supports the Near network and Sweat tokens. KuCoin is a popular option that supports these requirements. Step 5. Create an account on your chosen exchange. This typically requires providing personal information and completing identity verification for security and regulatory compliance. Step 6. Transfer your Sweat tokens from your Sweat wallet to your exchange wallet. You'll need to find your Sweat wallet address on the exchange and enter it into the Sweat Wallet app. Step 7. On the exchange, trade your Sweat tokens for a stablecoin like USDT. Stablecoins maintain a stable value and are easier to convert to traditional currency. Step 8. Finally, withdraw the USDT from the exchange to your bank account. This requires linking your bank account and may involve additional verification steps. Important considerations. Exchanges charge trading and withdrawal fees, have minimum withdrawal amounts, and require identity verification. Always research thoroughly and exercise caution when dealing with cryptocurrencies, as the landscape constantly evolves.